In Japanese, you can also nominalize verbs by placing no after them. No is generally used more in spoken language than koto, which we learned in the previous video. For example, 選手が走るのを見た. 選手が走る means the athlete runs, and no is a generic noun which means thing. So you can think of it as if it means the thing of the athlete runs. Since it became a noun, we can now mark it with the o particle as the direct object of mita, which means watched. So literally translated, the sentence means I watched the thing of the athlete runs, or more simply, I watched the athlete run. However, be careful as you cannot use no to nominalize a verb when it is followed by da or des. For this we use koto instead. For example, 私の趣味はゲームをすることです, which literally means my hobby is the thing of gaming, or more simply, my hobby is gaming. You also cannot use no instead of koto in fixed expressions such as ことができる, ことがある, ことにする, and ことになる, which I covered a few videos ago. Please follow for more Japanese tips.